Hello viewers, welcome to Linuxmint.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Omeka on Linuxmint Inventory. Omeka is a free and open source content management system for online digital collections. As a web application, it allows users to publish and extend its functionality with themes and plugins. Okay, now let us see how to install Omeka on Linuxmint Inventory. Here, before starting our installation, we have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.2. Okay, now first of all we have to download the Omeka CMS package from browser. So we have to open the browser. Now here follow this link. Now here we can see Omeka CMS download page. Now we have to click download. Then click save file. The download is going on. The download is complete now. Then go to download directory. Now here we have to restore this directory. Now we have to extract this download file using my unzip command. Then we have to restore this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for the extracted directory. Then we have to move the extracted directory to the /var/ww/html directory using my move command. Now go to Omeka directory. Then here we have to restore this directory. Now here we have to open the db.ini file. Now here we can see database configuration. Here already I have created database and database user. So we have to fill the database detail. Change insert mode. First of all we have to give host name. Then database username. Then password. Then database name. Then uncomment this line. Then give port number. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Omeka CMS. So go to site available location. Here we have to create omeka.conf file using the vim editor. Now change insert mode. Now here we have to create name is virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the omeka.conf file. Then we have to enable the read write module. Then after enabling, we have to enter to the host file. Now change insert mode. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache server. Then after restarting our Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Now here it also want a Omeka CMS installation. Now first of all here we can see admin user setting. So we have to fill the admin credential. Then scroll down. Then here we can see site setting. So we have to fill the site details. Then after filling the details, we have to click install. Now here we can see Omeka CMS successfully completed. Now if you want to log in our admin page, click admin dashboard. Then here we can see login page of Omeka CMS. Now we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. Then finally here we can see admin page of Omeka CMS. Then here we can see the version of Omeka CMS 2.6.1. Thus we have seen how to install Omeka CMS on Linux Mint Daemon 3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscape. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscape.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscape.com.